Where have I been? I've been gone for like all ever since, and it's because of the way. Well, you see, I couldn't air that much YouTube videos because, well, let's just say I was well busy for the winter and the spring. No kidding. So when all my things stuff is and here to I want to get screen recorded. So it took me a while, but finally I'm back and I will be airing videos, but not that daily much. Well, it's just like until the last day of for the game. Uh, uh, and doing schoolwork and chores and all that kind of got me thinking. I asked to myself, Alex, why aren't you airing YouTube videos for your fans? I know I checked out my my caption hack. That's why I got the least amount of subscribers. I got the hack and global got it all clear to back and now it's good. So I don't want this happening again. Sorry for all of you guys who unsubscribe because that and for not airing YouTube videos because I'm just busy. There you have it. Please just do me a favor, don't get mad. Please swear, don't. So I know that's it. Hey, I'm sorry. And that was the point. Sorry about that. So goodbye. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you want more videos, make sure to subscribe for more. And there's also the close for if you want more videos. So please subscribe. And this is Alex Vander 9000 signing out. Bye, bye guys.